Alright, so what's up everyone? My name is Harsimran Singh. मेरे सामने रखे हैं ये दो identical Xiaomi Redmi 3S phones, and this video is about a very serious flaw in Xiaomi Redmi 3S phones. So the thing is that I had ordered this white Xiaomi Redmi 3S for myself around 1 week back, and basically I was on a hunt for a good budget smartphone, and since this baby has recently launched and it rocks some serious specifications like 3 GB RAM, 32 GB of inbuilt memory, then it has dual SIM support, a 720p HD display, and a camera that Xiaomi is all praises about. But to be very honest, मुझे इसका कैमरा इतना खास नहीं लगा. But let's not expect everything to be perfect from a 9,000 rupees phone. Anyway, so I wanted this to be my second phone, and this has been doing a good duty since 4-5 days as my second phone. And since I was all praises about my Xiaomi Redmi 3S, so my dad was quite inclined towards this phone, and he said why not just order one for me as well. So I got this gold one for my dad, and while setting this up for him, I found something quite uncanny, which I personally was not expecting from Xiaomi, a company which is being run by ex-Apple executives and ex-Google executives. I honestly did not expect this to have these kind of flaws. Let me just unlock these babies for you. So I have set the brightness low just to be sure कि आप लोग आराम से स्क्रीन को देख पाएँ. And okay, so while setting this gold Xiaomi Redmi 3S for my dad, I noticed some difference in the color output, in the display output of my white Redmi 3S phone. And I noticed कि कलर दोनों फ़ोन्स के कलर्स कुछ मेल नहीं खाते. And let me show this to you कि ये दिक्कत मुझे कैसे पता लगी. So basically I was checking the camera, and वो कैमरा जब मैं दोनों फ़ोन्स के साथ साथ दोनों फ़ोन्स को साथ में रख के जब मैं इनके कैमराज को कंपेयर कर रहा था, so the pictures, the details in the pictures was identical, but the color output was not. So I thought maybe it was a flaw in the camera. But then I installed this application called Color Test, and it removed all my शंके, all my दुविधा कि ये जो एरर था वो इसकी कैमरा में नहीं था, इसके डिस्प्ले में एरर है. The display on two Xiaomi Redmi 3S phones is not identical at all. Let me just turn off the lights so that इनके वाइट या गोल्ड बेजल की वजह से पिक्चर में कुछ दिक्कत नहीं आए. Let me just turn off the lights for you and show you कि इनमें एक्चुअली क्या दिक्कत है और कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि इनमें एक मेजर फ्लॉ है. Just give me one moment. So I have turned off the lights, and let me just place them side by side ताकि आप खुद देख सकें कि इनमें क्या दिक्कत है. Let me just set the brightness to lowest possible on both of these phones. Alright. सो अभी शायद आप देख सकते हैं, आप खुद देख सकते हैं कि ये दोनों फ़ोन्स में डिस्प्ले सेम नहीं है, डिस्प्ले आउटपुट, कलर आउटपुट सेम नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ मोर ऑन द ब्राइट साइड एंड दिस इज़ मोर ऑन द डार्कर साइड. Let's just open the color test app for you. Alright, so white is actually kind of white on this one, but pale on this one. So आप खुद देख सकते हैं कि ये दोनों फ़ोन्स, ऑल्दो दीज आर आइडेंटिकल फ़ोन्स, बट इनकी कलर आउटपुट इज़ नॉट सेम. लेट मी जस्ट चेंज द कलर फॉर यू. ऑलराइट, सो द येलो ऑन दिस वन is actually different from the one on this one. Then we move to maroon. So maroon is also darker on this one and a little brighter on the left one. Alright, so now silver. Again, जो problem white में थी वही problem silver में भी है. Silver being a light color is kind of accurate on the left one, but absolutely not accurate on this one. Let's move to purple again. So purple is kind of dark on the right one, but kind of accurate on the left one. Same for navy. Same for green. Now same for aqua. So even aqua color में भी आप देख सकते हैं the output on the left one is kind of natural, but the output on the right one is not natural at all. So this does not look like aqua. This actually looks like kind of a lesser version of teal. Let's move to olive now. So again, olive is kind of olive looking on the left one, but definitely not on the right one. Now blue. So blues are also not comparable, or actually comparable, since the difference is quite huge. But आप खुद देख सकते हैं कि this is more on the darker side, very much more on the darker side, but this is kind of an accurate version of blue. Although camera पे आप I'm sure कि आप notice कर पा रहे हैं, but in person difference is kind of more than what it is coming out to be on camera. This is what I can vouch for. So now red and teal. Okay. So this does look like teal, right? But this does not. Black. At least इनसे तो मुझे उम्मीद थी कि ये दोनों common रहेंगे, and they are similar. They are identical, since these babies have an IPS display, and IPS displays have good reputation of generating black color. So the blacks are really deep on IPS displays, but the color does not match on these two Xiaomi Redmi phones. So we are back to white now. Again iterating. This is a very pale version of white. This does not look like white, and I was not able to make that out until I compared these phones side by side. But now I think आप खुद देख सकते हैं कि इनमें कितना बड़ा difference है. I am going to return my Xiaomi Redmi 3S and get my refund. Probably both of these phones are going to be returned, provided my dad does not want to return it, but mine is going to be returned to Flipkart for sure. So Xiaomi, if you come out, if you happen to watch out this video, please come out with a statement describing the differences or describing the flaw that is persistent on your phones. And आई एम नॉट श्योर कि इतने यूट्यूबर्स ने, इतने लोगों ने जो इसको रिव्यू करा है उन्होंने पॉइंट आउट क्यों नहीं करा, बट एटलीस्ट नाउ यू हैव इट. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय, टेक केयर.